Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all you are fine and studying well. I am Samir, and today I am going to teach you Social Science Standard 6, lesson number 12, Understanding of Map. So, before learning this lesson, let's do one activity. First of all, identify this image. What about this image? This image is map of our Hiramani school, and I have written a four direction in this image: north, east, south and west. I hope all you are aware about the direction. If you are not aware about the direction, you can't locate the exact place of the directions. So, for the identifying direction, I am giving you a two short trick to identify directions. The first trick is sun. Student, do you know that when where sun rises and when where sun set? Sun rises in the east and sun set in the west. So, with the help of the moving of sun east to west, we can identify the direction. And the second trick is Dhruv star in the night. Dhruv star always situated in north direction, and with the help of the Dhruv star we can identify the four directions: north, east, west and south. In left hand, west direction, and in right hand, east direction. In the back side, south direction. So, with the help of the direction, observe this map and identify the certain place where situated in which direction. So, first I am asking you one questions. In which direction of Hiramani parking situated? Hiramani parking situated in south direction. The second question is, in which direction of Hiramani Primary School English medium situated? Hiramani Primary School situated in west directions. Hiramani Secondary and Higher Secondary School English medium situated in southwest direction. And in which direction Hiramani Central Office situated? Hiramani Central Office situated in north directions. Hiramani Elementary School in east direction. Hiramani Shichu Mandir situated in east south direction. Hiramani Junior KG Nursery situated in west east, middle of north south direction. Hiramani Rang Upwan situated in northeast direction. Now, second part of our campus, Hiramani campus. In which direction ADC Bank and Hiramani Nirma Hostel situated? ADC Bank and Nirma Hostel situated in south direction. Even temple is also situated in south direction. Hiramani Rangmanch situated in east directions. Hiramani Sandhya Jivan Kutir Block A, Block B situated in west direction. Hiramani Dining Hall situated in northwest direction. Hiramani Gujarati Medium Hostel, both medium, English medium and Gujarati medium, situated in north directions. So with the help of the direction, we can easily find out the proper place where it is situated. So this is the Hiramani map, and with the help of this map you can easily reach certain place. So all we have a mobile gadgets, and in mobile we have a Google Map application and Google Earth application. With the help of this application we can easily find out and reach the certain places through the map. Use your mobile and open the application of Google Map, and wherever you want to see the where certain places are situated, you can easily identify with the map. Tourists visit different tourist destinations of Gujarat like Somnath, Dwarka, Tarnetar, Ambaji, Dhordo, Saputara, etc. In spite of being unknown with the geographical area of tourist destination, they can reach the destination very easily. How? With the help of the map. What is the reason of it? The reason is only that they have a map showing tourist destination. They can receive information of the tourist spot destination by reading different kinds of map. In the present time, map have proved a very useful for many other objectives beside tours. हम किसी टूर पे जाते हैं, हमने कोई स्थल देखा हुआ नहीं होता है, तो हम मैप की सहायता से हम उस स्थल पर बड़ी आसानी से पहुंच सकते हैं. Today, in the age of science and technology, you can reach any place in the world with the help of GPS. GPS stands for Global Positioning System. GPS is an electronic device existed in mobile, even separate instrument also, and GPS is connected to the satellite. So with the help of the GPS, we can easily reach any place of the world. Let us understand the map in this chapter. Globe of the earth is very important to study the earth, but map is more important to study any continent, country, state, district, taluka, city or any village of the earth. The word map is also called नक्शा in हिंदी, यानी मैप को हिंदी में नक्शा कहा जाता है. Map word is derived from the Latin word mappa mundi. Suppose to be asked in exam, मैप का लेटिन वर्ड क्या है? कौन सा लेटिन वर्ड है मैप? मैपा मुंडी लेटिन वर्ड है और इसी पर से मैप आया है. The meaning of it is the piece of the cloth that can be held in the hand. In general sense, drawing of earth's surface of any one part of the earth on the plain flat paper is known as map. Many details of any large area can be included in map. हम कोई भी large area map में हम दिखा सकते हैं. Now then, about the Atlas map. Atlas is the map book. Atlas is the map book, and Atlas is the collection of map showing various details of the earth or its a larger part. It contains political, administrative, natural and cultural details. Complete details of any concerned region can be known by map. Map shows important detail of various region like physical details like mountain, plateaus, plain, river, lake, etc. And for the culture side, transportation, industries, farming, irrigation, etc. too. So now let's understand the types of maps. How many types of maps? So there are two types of map. First one is thematic map and the second one is scale based map. So what is thematic map? This is thematic map. Such type of maps are prepared according to the requirement of necessary detail. Like thematical maps are categorized into two main sections based on natural and cultural details depicted in them, like natural maps and cultural maps. This is the natural maps. Then scale based map. Map that shows physical detail is called scale based map. Scale based map displays showcase natural landforms like mountains, plateaus, plain, rivers, oceans, etc. Map showing the detail of wild animals, vegetations, forest, minerals, etc. are the part of scale based map. Supposed to be asked in exam, so you have to write this answer about the scale based map. Now, among the different types of map, the first type is topographic map. With the help of the topographic map of India, we understand about the topographic map. What is topographic map? Landscape like mountains, plateaus, plain, waterways, etc. are shown in this type of map. जिस मैप में ज़मीन, पर्वत, पठार, मैदानी विस्तार और वाटरवेज दिखाए जाते हैं उसे हम कहते हैं टोपोग्राफिक मैप। और इस मैप में इस प्रकार के साइंस सिंबल्स के थ्रू हम दिखा सकते हैं। उसमें माउंटेन पीक, रिवर, स्टेट, यूटी बाउंड्री, यूनियन टेरिटरी बाउंड्री एंड इंटरनेशनल बाउंड्री दिखाए जाते हैं। जहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे दक्कन प्लेटू और अदर वाटरवेज यहाँ पे दिखाए गए हैं। Then the second type is climate map. This map focus on the detail on climate, temperature, rainfall, winds, etc. This is called climate map. Then third type is astronomical map. In astronomical map, given information about celestial bodies like planet, satellites, galaxies, star, constellation, etc. are shown in astronomical maps, जिसमें तारे, सैटेलाइट्स और गैलेक्सीज दिखाई जाती है या नक्षत्र स्टार्स दिखाए जाते हैं, उसमें हम बोलते हैं एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल मैप्स। देन cultural map. The map which outline the man-made details called cultural map. This map outline various human activities. The map of state, farming, population, transportation are the example of the cultural map. Then political map. The map which show the detail of continent, country, local administrations, states and their frontier are called political map. जहाँ पे देश की सीमाएं बताई जाती है, state and its capital and territories, that are called political map. Then industrial map. This map shows the detail of industrial sector, यानी कि जितने उद्योग वहाँ पे है, जितने उद्योग जैसे कपड़ा उद्योग, मेटल उद्योग, जितने भी उद्योग है, उद्योग मैप में दिखाए जाते हैं, इंडिकेट किए जाते हैं, उसे हम बोलते हैं इंडस्ट्रियल मैप. दिस मैप शोज द डिटेल ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर faced in the history of industry and production, etc. Then the third type of the culture map is historical map. This map, which shows history of regional and national administration, is called historical map. So in chapter number 4, early state and political system India, you have learned about the historical map of 16 Mahajanpad. So 16 Mahajanpad, it was the prehistory of India, and historical places in history, certain historical places written in historical map. This is called historical map of India, जहाँ पे इतिहास में पुराने जो स्थल थे, जहाँ पे डेवलपमेंट हुआ उस स्थल का हिस्ट्री में, इतिहास में, वो स्थल यहाँ पे हिस्टोरिकल मैप में दिखाए गए हैं और दिखाए जाते हैं, उसे हम बोलते हैं हिस्टोरिकल मैप. सो आई होप ऑल यू आर अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द टाइप्स ऑफ मैप and understanding of the map. So in next video we'll understand about the types of maps on the basis of scale, and I am giving you a different kind of map and you will identify which maps are and their types. Okay, so take your mobile and open the Google Maps, and with the help of the Google Maps open the Hiramani School and open certain places what is known by you through the map. So with the help of this application you can easily understand this chapter. Okay, thank you.